Continuing on, I'm preparing my servos to install in the plates, the mounting plates that go into the helicopter. The previous video I had put some heat shrink, and just for good measure I cut some more pieces of heat shrink. They're smaller, shorter, and I'm just going to slide these on and put them on over the other heat shrink. Honestly, I don't even really think this is necessary. It's just kind of making it a little bit more strong. I already did this on the other ones, so get that over there, put that one. You can buy heat shrink at your local automotive store, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, you know, whichever auto parts store. And I just pulled the mesh shielding off of the original servos that were with this helicopter. And as I said, I paid $1,079.96 to Futaba for these 4 servos. I'm having a hard time getting this one on over the other heat shrink. It's pretty tight fit. Okay, there it is. Okay, so right up in closer to the where the servo plugs in, I added these little pieces of heat shrink. Doesn't take much to get the heat shrink to do its thing and shrink up. And that should be good. So now I'm going to have to kind of get into reverse engineering. See which side looks better. I think that one looks pretty good. Let's see. I'm trying to see if there's really any difference in these plates to how they mount. They look the same on both sides. So I'm going to go with that one. And before I do that, I want to, I believe those rubber pieces go on over the servos, so they would pop in there like this. Okay, so those are some pretty long screws. These are Phillips head screws. And they are some long screws. So it's going to take a little bit to get each one out. This GoPro camera's battery may be getting kind of low, so hopefully this doesn't cut off on me. I would like to get at least this one servo installed for the purposes of this video. So that plastic block goes on the back of there, and this is the outward facing servo. And I really don't know how good these Spectrum servos are. I do know that I had a $3,500 Vario Benzin Acrobatic fly away to its death when a JR X9503 radio transmitter glitched on me and it just shut down. It may have been due to moisture inside of the radio. But I have switched over completely to Futaba receivers and Futaba transmitter, and I've had a lot better luck with Futaba. And I really Spectrum, I believe those guys did create the 2.4 I guess that's gigahertz frequency hop transmitters. Wow, I don't know what happened with that one. That one's like, holy cow. This one's bent. Man, I don't even know how that would have happened. Maybe this helicopter's been in a crash. I don't know. I'm going to probably have to try to find another screw. Luckily, I have extra frames and I can steal one from there, cannibalize another screw from there. But I don't know the history of this helicopter. It was apparently originally bought from an estate sale. Okay, so that goes facing in. Wipe this off a little bit. There's some oil or something on there. So it faces in. There's like a little dimple. So making a note of that faces in. Hi, buddy.